Ready for some addition? Okie dokie. Here are 35 amazing addition problems to train your mind. This one is the first addition problem for this video. Fun fact, you need to add a power of 2 to another one. As for the second addition problem, the only difference is in the first or second number. I won't tell which one, though. This addition problem is so simple that even a preschooler can do it. Just calculate it, and I promise the result is up to 10. The result for this addition problem is the biggest for a single digit by single digit. Also, it can be calculated by simply multiplying 9 times 2. This one is another preschool addition problem. This time, it's 5 plus 4. Also, this is the last single digit by single digit math problem for this video. These two numbers look very similar. And this is the first addition problem with double digits. You can also calculate this by calculating the mean 37 and 31, which gives you 34, then multiplying it by 2. 17 plus 74 is the seventh math problem. This time, regrouping is required, with no 7 plus 7 joke included. This addition problem is the first to get you a result over 100, not to mention you have to regroup everything. Thankfully, the next problem doesn't make you do that so much. 22 plus 18 is next, and it can also be calculated by taking the average of two numbers and multiplying by 2. The result ends in a 0. Now take a look at the last 2 by 2. Yep, one of the numbers has 0 at the end. Up next are some 3 by 3 math problems. We now have the first 3 by 3. As a bonus, the addends and the result are divisible by 7. Really? 0 added to 129? Huh? You have never seen this type of math problem before. And what's the result? Easy, 129. Now this one is a bit harder, but it doesn't require regrouping in any way. It's easy, especially when you add 0 plus 3 in the ones place. Now this is the first 3 by 2. This one is unique, but we'll see about that later. For now, this is the only 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. This one is the last 3 by 3 addition problem for this video. It's not suitable for second graders, as the result is over 1,000. Now to the first 4 by 4. We're moving on to third grade math. Now you can see up to 6 digits, and the result alone is 5 digits. For problem number 17, we also see that the result is 5 digits long because you have to regroup the thousands place, which gives 1 in the 10,000s. Enough said. Now this is problem 18, the third problem in a row having a 5-digit result and the last one. This one's a 4 by 3, and you know what this means, right? You don't have to add anything to the thousands place except if you regroup. As a 3 by 4, the 20th problem on the list is not the last 4 by 4, that honor goes to problem 18. But anyways, let's move on to the 5 by 5s, the first 5 by 5 and already have one more digit than the result of the addends. Again, what kind of math world is this? And this madness continues with another addition math problem with the result being over 150,000. You have got to be joking. Even the next and 23rd problem has the result of 6 digits. Like, what's the probability of this 3 in a row streak happening? Problem number 24 is up, and we are now on the second to last problem before we head to 6 digits. Only 11 problems to go, and this is the last addition problem before some 6 digits numbers come. Also, problem number 25. Isn't that surprising? We have a 4-digit by 6-digit instead of a 5 by 6 or a 6 by 6. This one is the easiest of the 6-digit pack. Speaking of a 5 by 6, we have one right now. This one is still easy compared to a 6 by 6, with 7 problems after this one. This addition math problem equals about 900,000, and this is problem number 28. And now, this addition problem is the first in this video to have a result of over 1 million, and I'll give you some advice. This math problem is not for most people who are less than 4th graders, and neither is this problem, which also gives a 7-digit result. This math problem is problem number 30, and we are now on the last for the 6 by 6 category. Now we will move on to the final category, the 7 by 7s. We now have 5 more math problems for this video. For now, we have the first 7 by 7 with the result of about 7 million. This one is a math problem with the result being 8 digits, and it contains the number 666. Gosh, Is that the number of the beast? The 5 by 7 addition problem is number 33 on the list. Also, 2 more math problems after this one. Do you know the probability of this happening? We are now at the second to last addition math problem for this video. Problem number 34. Do you know how far we come? And this is now the last addition math problem for this video, with the result being 8 digits. Also, I bet you'll love to do more. But that's it for this video. Please subscribe to Builderman116 for support, and we will see you later.